Good day, ladies and gentlemen. For today's topic, we have simple interest formula. So let's start first with our terms. So for letter I, we have interest, which means the amount paid for the use of the money. And for letter P, we have principal, which means the amount borrowed, lent, or invested. And for letter R, we have rate, which means the percent of interest being charged. And lastly, we have T, time, which means the number of periods for which the money will be borrowed, lent, or invested. So for our formula, we have F equals P plus I, which means to find the future value. F equals the total amount due upon maturity. So for our first example, we have Tessa borrowed 2,000 reals at 12% interest for 2 years. We have to find the interest I and the future value F. So for our solution, let's start with the given first. So P, the principal, which equals to 2,000 reals, R, the rate, which equals to 12% or 0.12, T, the time, which equals to 2 years, which will give us 2,000 reals times 0.12 times 2, which will equal to 2,000 reals times 0.24, because 0.12 times 2 will give us 0.24. So 2,000 reals times 0.24 will give us 480 reals, which will be our interest. Next, we have 2,000 reals plus 480 reals, which will give us 2,480 reals. And that will be our future value. So let's try on another example. Emma lent 600 reals to Abdul at 1% per month for 2 years. So let's proceed to our given. P, the principal, which equals to 600 reals. R, the rate, which equals to 1% per month. T, the time, which equals to 2 years. So for our solution, we have 600 reals times 0.01 times 24. But you might be asking, why 24? Because we have to turn 2 years into months, which will give us 600 reals times 0.24, which will equal to 144 reals, which will be our interest. And lastly, we have 600 reals plus 144 reals, which will give us 744 reals, which will be our future value. I hope you liked the video and found it interesting. Please leave a subscribe button and thank you for watching.